Clive's got a question for us over on Twitter. Have about 15,000 stale devices in Azure and about 3,500 stale devices in Intune. What is the best way to clean up this unholy mess? I think I can take that one.
Yes, sir. Shall I share your screen?
Yes, that would be great. And where I would start is with one of the many Swedish gentlemen that are in our community here, Mr. T-Bone. No need to reinvent the wheel on this, but you can find other solutions out there. But I think he's done a great write-up on how you can do that in both Intune and Entra ID. So long story short, on the Intune side of things, it's built in. Device cleanup rules. Go ahead and set that we want to delete those devices based on a last check-in date of between 30 days and 270 days. That's generally the recommendation there. On the Entra side of things, though, similar to Active Directory, if you've had to do cleanup of Active Directory devices in the past, there is nothing built in, but we can key off of specific values, similar to a last login timestamp or last activity, just like we can in Intune, just like we can in Active Directory. So what we can do then is essentially go through, and after a device has not checked in or hasn't had any activity for a certain amount of days, we can disable the device and then delete it. So he also has a solution and a blog post that you can run through and schedule this using Azure Automation. Super easy to configure. Definitely test. You're doing something potentially, I guess it is absolutely destructive because you are deleting things, but the script, again, will do a disable, and then a little bit later, based on your configuration, we'll do a delete of those Entra devices. So I'm going to drop this in our links for this evening. This is a fantastic write-up, kind of one of the go-tos that I've had for this question recently. In addition to that, Microsoft does also have some official documentation around how to manage those stale devices in Entra ID. Again, on Intune, I would just configure your device cleanup rules and be done with it on that side. But there's a little bit more to consider on the Entra ID side of things. So again, PowerShell. And then making sure that you actually have BitLocker keys backed up and that sort of thing. So there are some recommendations in Microsoft's official doc here. So those are the two blog posts and documentation that I would check out.